First up is ChatGPT by OpenAI. This tool is your brainstorming buddy, scriptwriter, and idea generator all rolled into one. Whether you're crafting YouTube scripts, social media captions, or blog posts, ChatGPT saves time and sparks creativity. Use specific prompts like "generate 5 catchy video titles about travel vlogging" to get the best results. Next, we have Canva, a game changer for non-designers. With AI-powered tools like Magic Design, you can create stunning visuals, thumbnails, and even edit short-form videos effortlessly. Canva's AI can even remove backgrounds, suggest layouts, and resize designs for every platform in seconds. Free templates make it perfect for beginners. Content creators in 2024 are all about video and audio. Enter Descript, an all-in-one tool that lets you edit videos and podcasts by editing text. Cut out filler words like and automatically, sync captions, and even clone your voice for narration edits. Perfect for podcasters, YouTubers, and anyone editing on the go. Need Hollywood-level effects without the Hollywood budget? Runway ML is your go-to AI tool for video creators. Remove backgrounds, generate images, or add stunning effects, no green screen needed. In 2024, creativity meets automation, and Runway ML ensures you stay ahead of the curve. Finally, meet Jasper, the AI writing assistant designed for marketers and content creators. From email campaigns to Instagram ads, Jasper helps you write persuasive content that converts. Just choose a template, input your details, and let the AI work its magic. Best for content that drives traffic and sales. And there you have it, the top 5 AI tools that'll save you time, boost creativity, and help you crush it in 2024. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to power up your content game.